Welcome to Investment Mantra. Today, we're diving into Tata Steel, exploring its company overview and investment insights. Let's get started. Introduction to Tata Steel. Tata Steel, established in 1907, is one of the largest and most respected steel manufacturers in the world. As part of the Tata Group, Tata Steel operates a diverse portfolio of steel production facilities across the globe, with a presence in over 26 countries. Significant role in shaping the steel industry worldwide. Products and brands. Products. Tata Steel's offerings include flat products, hot-rolled and cold-rolled, coated products, galvanized and pre-painted steel, long products, beams, channels, and specialty steels. Brands. Tata Steelium, cold-rolled steel, Tata Tiscon, TMT bars, Tata Structura, structural steel, Tata Pipes. Pipes and tubes. Top 5 customers: Tata Motors, Larsen & Toubro. Land, Indian Railways, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BEL. Fundamental overview. High market cap and premium pricing. Tata Steel's market cap stands at 186,654 rupees crores, with a current stock price of 150 rupees, reflecting a strong market presence and premium valuation. Valuation metrics. A high P/E ratio of 116 indicates strong future earnings expectations but could also suggest potential overvaluation. Volatility and dividend yield. The stock price ranges from 114 rupees to 185 rupees, showing significant volatility. The dividend yield is 2.41%, providing a modest income return. Profitability and efficiency. With an ROCE of 7.02% and ROE of 6.55%, there is room for improvement in capital efficiency and overall profitability. Profit and loss account analysis. Revenue trends. Tata Steel's revenue increased significantly to 243,959 rupees crores in March 2022 but has since decreased to 229,171 rupees crores by March 2024. Operating profit. Operating profit fell from 63,490 crore rupees to 22,248 crore rupees, reflecting a decline in operational efficiency. Net profit. Net profit shifted from 41,749 crore rupees to a loss of 4,910 crore rupees, indicating financial stress and reduced profitability. EPS. The earnings per share, EPS, dropped from 32 rupees and 88 paise to -3 rupees and 55 paise, highlighting declining profitability. Dividend payout. The dividend payout has decreased significantly to -101%, reflecting potential liquidity and cash flow challenges. Revenue trends. Revenue growth. Tata Steel experienced a peak in revenue but has recently faced a decline, signaling potential market or operational challenges. Revenue distribution. Globally. India, 55%. Europe, 25%. North America, 10%. Asia and rest of the world, 10%. Balance sheet analysis. Equity and reserves. Equity capital stands at 1,247 crore rupees, with reserves at 90,788 crore rupees. The slight decline in reserves indicates possible cash flow or Profitability issues. Debt levels. Total borrowings amount to 87,082 crore rupees. This relatively high debt level could impact financial stability and operational flexibility. Fixed assets. Fixed assets are valued at 148,814 crore rupees, showing significant investments in physical assets. While Tata Steel maintains a balanced sheet, the high debt and fluctuations in reserves warrant close scrutiny for potential financial risks. Points to consider before investing. Financial performance. Tata Steel has seen recent declines in revenue and net losses, signaling a need for strategic improvements to restore profitability. Debt levels. High levels of borrowings could affect Tata Steel's financial stability and flexibility. Investors should assess how the company plans to manage and reduce its debt. Market position. Evaluate Tata Steel's competitive position and global presence, especially in light of recent financial challenges. Investment risks. Consider stock price volatility and the impact of operational challenges on future performance. Dividend policy. The decreased dividend payout may affect income-focused investors. Analyze how Tata Steel plans to address cash flow and dividend stability. Shareholding pattern analysis. Promoters holding 33.19%. Promoters maintain significant control and influence over Tata Steel's strategic, indicating long-term commitment. Foreign institutional investors hold 19.61% of the shares. Their involvement reflects global confidence in Tata Steel. Institutional investors own 23.51% of the shares, showing strong support from Indian institutions. Public shareholders hold 23.60%, providing liquidity and a broad base of individual investors. Government. Minimal at 0.18%, indicating limited direct government influence or control. Conclusion for investors. Tata Steel has a strong market presence but is currently facing financial challenges. The company's future performance will depend on its ability to address operational inefficiencies and manage high debt levels. Targets based on research. Monitor the company's short-term performance and financial health closely. Consider the potential for long-term growth if Tata Steel can successfully navigate its current challenges and capitalize on its global presence. Long-term potential. Tata Steel has positive long-term potential if it can overcome its financial hurdles and leverage its strong market position for sustained growth. Thank you for watching Investment Mantra. For more updates and insights, like, subscribe, and hit the bell.